All right, you guys might remember that big warehouse over near Olmos Park, that all the stuff from Mickey and Barbara Hunter's collection. Well, we've done that. Now we're coming to the house. This is one of the earliest houses in the entire part of central San Antonio, here in Castle Hills. Again, these folks have been collecting things for decades and decades, and this is just one of the best estates in San Antonio. So we're gonna come in and give you sort of a preview. Some of these things will be coming to auction, and a lot of them will be sold at an estate sale that we're gonna have a little bit later this summer. So just real quickly, get a sense for the yard. Just start with the yard. There's so many wonderful decorative pieces in ceramics and iron, in tin, early American pieces. There was a pool here at one point. It's not really so swimmable or beautiful anymore, but you see that big metal alligator on the far shore. That's gonna be coming up for auction, I think, so that's pretty cool. Turn around, and here's this beautiful old house. This was the only house in the area for a long time, and now we're gonna go in and open it up to you. So here we go. You see these incredibly thick walls. I'm gonna give you a sense for artwork and ceramics, early furniture, early Americana. Again, like I say, statuary and just all kinds of cool stuff. They're all jelly molds and they're all copper, which is kind of amazing. You get a sense for some more of the collections into the kitchen, and then we'll come around this corner. Again, this is incredible, this collection just of this type of ceramics. And look over here, and there's some Majolica, and then there's early Texas pottery. There's baskets through there. We'll keep walking. Coming here into the office, and you see books and old fedoras, tools and ceramics and furniture, rugs. Some really wonderful early carvings, books again, early atlases, globes. Right back this way, backtrack a little bit because there's an upstairs I want to show you. Come up into this upper area. You have a huge collection of early pipes, including meerschaum pipes. We have artwork, again, maps, furniture, rugs, early duck decoys. And let me just show you, there's another example. All of these cigar boxes are all full of pens. So we're talking about early fountain pens. Every single box is full of fountain pens, and so are these. So I'll give you a quick look at this. So if I could open this up, there they are. And I mean, there must be hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. There's no small collection here. So more artwork. I mean, gosh, you see the task we have before us. It's gonna be a lot of work, early quilts. But what a collection. It's really a special opportunity, and we've got even more to show you out in the garage. Now here it's pretty packed, so got the key. Let's go see what we can find here at the Hunter Estate garage. Okay, right here at the door, looks like we've got some ships, clocks, and instruments. Wow, this is like right out of American Pickers. Got my flashlight with me today because the light's not great in here. Oh man, oh look at those transits up there. Bins of copper, and there's a bunch more of those cigar boxes. There could be pens in there, who knows what. Some boxes back there. Nice Seth Thomas clock, big ship model. Oh man, there's a lot more around the corner. Down, see what we can see over here. There's some old geese. There's an old Mersa leather elephant. Ooh, a bunch of clocks here. Here's the stairwell, okay. More taxidermy, nautical stuff. Lots of books. Oh my gosh. This is a collector's collection. Just more bins. And again, this is just gonna be a lot of work, but we're gonna go through all this stuff, see what's in there. Mickey Hunter spent a lot of time putting all these things together. Back in the house now. So again, the incredible Hunter family collection coming both to auction and to an epic estate sale later this summer. So watch for that. You can find more details, as always, at texasauction.com.